Welcome to our Beginner's Guide to Handshake. This presentation will guide you through the Handshake platform, a great user-friendly tool for all your job search and career development needs. Once you're logged into Handshake, we suggest navigating here and completing your profile. Driving profile completion is helpful for attracting employers to your page, for career fair access virtually, and online networking. In addition, be sure to fill out every section so that it's fully complete. And you'll see here each section has some type of content. And if we look up here at the top, it says the profile is 100% complete. Be sure to fill out the complete career interests section page here and opt into each of the areas, including a career cluster, to receive custom notifications and updates from Handshake based on your preferences. And once you have completed this section, go ahead and save your career interests. Going back to the top here, we can click on the Documents tab. And using this tool, go ahead and upload your resume using the Documents tab and make it visible for employers to see. Once you've done that, it's time to explore. So let's go back to the main page here, and let's start with the Career Center tab. Here you'll find how to schedule appointments and review resources. So to go through the appointment section, you can click Schedule a New Appointment, choose the appointment type between either a 15-minute or a 30-minute meeting. If you have no preference for a staff member, you can choose the first available time slot or choose any open window. And you can also choose the type of appointment medium that meets your preferences. And then be sure to indicate in the notes what kind of assistance you're looking to gain with that counselor for that meeting. And then you'll click the request button and that counselor will receive that appointment request and then just await approval. Going back to the Career Center tab, let's now look at resources. Through the resources library, there are some great hidden gems here in Handshake that you can browse. Micro internships could be a great space for short-term professional paid project opportunity. The Focus 2 career assessment, great for self-guided career and education planning through an online assessment. Optimal resume, great for customizing a resume or practicing mock interviews. What can I do with this major? Helpful for career exploration. There's a variety of different tools in here that you can use and browse. Specific to our doctoral students, Imagine PhD, and also Versatile PhD are additional tools unique to your profile that you can use for your career development. So feel free to browse and check out these awesome resources that we have here in the resources portal and tab. They're great and excellent tools to use for your job search needs. Outside of career exploration, you can use Handshake for, of course, the job search. So let's go ahead and click on the Jobs tab. Here in the Jobs tab, you'll see a variety of opportunities. What's neat here in Handshake is they also have the Fresh tab. So if something has been recently posted in the Handshake portal, you can access it here. And then just review what that employer has listed about this opportunity, see if you match that employer's preferences, and then feel free to apply using the Apply Externally or a Quick Apply button. You can also view a variety of employers that have been approved here in Handshake, and you can do some filtering here by location, size, industry, or employer label and find opportunities this way. Going back to the main page, some other ways to do some career exploration, you can click the Career Paths tab. And using this option, you can explore job roles and job role groups by occupation titles. So just as an example, I'm going to go ahead and click Human Resource Managers and Specialists. And here I can see salary ranges, a little overview about that occupation title, and then some sample postings related to that occupation title, and also other student profiles on Handshake that have similar interests. And if I click the Interested tab, it'll give me some other related occupations here as well. So it's very good for career exploration. If I go here to the Events tab, you can use this to discover events and fairs hosted by by approved employers and by the CCD. You'll also be able to register for any career fairs using this portal here. If you wanted to do some online networking and explore what other students are up to in terms of their career development, you can go here to the Students tab. And this allows you to connect with other students and alumni in and outside of Rice. And you can filter by name, by school year, by major. There's many kinds of filters here to do some online connection and networking. As a final tip, be sure to update your notification preferences. So if I go over here to notifications, and then I can click Edit Notification Preferences, you'll be able to set and update your notification preferences for your job interests, and then make sure that these are updated so that you get any important notifications that you need via email. If you have any questions about Handshake or the platform, you can always go here to the Help button to understand how to get your answers met. And then for any other questions, feel free to email us at ccd@rice.edu.